Hi everyone! This is how I spent my Saturday morning. I decided to start my Saturday morning working out, and as you can see, aside from the stepper, meron na rin siyang kasama dyan sa part na yan ng bahay namin, which is stationary bike. I'm not quite sure kung ano pa yung mga idadagdag namin equipments dyan, but I believe kailangan namin ng weights, kailangan namin ng dumbbells, iba-ibang weights yon. So, yun probably yung next naming bibilhin. But for now, we're really okay with a stepper and a stationary bike kasi talagang tagaktak talaga yung pawis namin dito whenever we use them. If you really want to do your workout at home, you really need to spend money for workout equipment. Also, same as for your diet, if you want to have a healthier diet, of course, you need to spend more money for healthy food. And it's really not easy to always be motivated, to discipline yourself, to add these workout activities to your daily routine, to your household chores. But I guess ganun din naman eh. If you slack today, if you do not focus on eating healthy food, then magkakasakit ka in the future, mahihirapan ka and magagastusan ka lang rin naman. So, you just have to choose in which part of your life would you like na mahirapan and magastusan. Doon ba sa pag-workout, pagdidisiplin ng sarili mo, pagbili ng healthy food, pagbili ng kung anong equipments na kailangan mo? Or mag-spend ka ng money for medication and mahihirapan ka habang may sakit ka?